Alright. So now we do the combination. We do break the pattern of this one. Break the pattern. I'm the one who's giving that one here. Two. Two here. 1, 2, 3. Right. 4 now. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right there. So let's say we just use the first hand at the moment, okay? Just one hit without the follow-up, okay?
Okay.
So you go hit 1, I go for number 12, 9, 10 quick. We break the pattern now, 9, 10 quick, 11, 12. That's it. 8, 9, 10. That's it. Nope. That's it. Now I'm going to here, quicker, and quick. That's 11, 8, 1 quick, 12, 6, 10, 1. Yes. But if you can do slowly on that one first, and we go more soon about the grouping system. Okay.